GroupDocs Comparison App is a reliable and powerful online application that enables you to identify every change between different files. You can directly drop and compare over 50 file formats. Using GroupDocs Comparison App, you can diff files with a couple of clicks. To get started, upload 2 versions of the file and click the Compare Now button that will detect differences between documents. All the differences are listed in the Changes window. You can navigate between each change detected by Comparison App by clicking on items in the list. To start over, just click the Close Comparison button and upload new files for comparison. Please note that this is just a short demonstration of GroupDocs comparison features. You can download the full product for more features using the link in the video description below. We hope that you have found this tutorial useful.